Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain how to fix monitor going to sleep and the fastest solutions that actually works. Number 1. Adjust power settings. On Windows 10, navigate to Start, Settings, System, Power and Sleep. Under Screen, set the desired time before the display turns off. Under Sleep, set the desired time before the computer enters sleep mode. Ensure both settings are configured to your preference. Number 2. Disable screen saver. Go to Start, Settings, Personalization, Lock Screen. Click on Screen Saver Settings. In the Screen Saver drop down, select None and then click Apply, then OK. Number 3. Update graphics drivers. Visit your graphic card manufacturer website. Download and install the latest drivers for your model. Number 4. Check for hardware issues. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Test the monitor with another device to rule out hardware faults. Thanks for watching.